A lot of the students hadn't heard of Equinix before the pipeline program. It's not a consumer brand. But once they found out that it was one of the biggest data center companies in the world, highly secure environment, and the sort of things that it did on a day-to-day basis, you could see there was a lot of interest from the students.
We decided to engage with UTC Reading. Primarily it's about recruiting the right people, finding the right people who are in the right mindset to join our company with the right ethos that we want. As Michael said as well, we need to raise our profile in the UK with people that we want to employ.
Initially, the students really enjoyed the problem-solving activities and technical briefings that they were getting from Martin and the Equinix team at the UTC. But what was really exciting was when the kids were allowed to go onto the data center site and really see some of the heavy-duty engineering in action, and they loved it.
I had a good impression of the UTC Reading students. They were well presented, keen to learn, and they came with a great attitude almost to all the sessions, and that carried out throughout the whole programme.
What we heard in our feedback from the students was that they'd picked up a little bit more technical language that they probably wouldn't have heard in the classroom. They'd become much more interested in actual equipment, particularly heavy-duty electrical equipment, and that they really felt quite comfortable talking to adults from industry who were seasoned engineers with a lot of experience, and they'd become much more relaxed in that environment.
We had several moments in the classroom where we sat down and we went through some single line diagrams one-on-one with the students, because they're more engaged that way. You get to see what their opinions actually are better than you would when standing in front of a teaching board. They're less inclined to get involved, but when they do that and you get a bit of learning from them, it's satisfying when you go to the site and then you can see them putting that learning in action, that they've learned something from the experience.
I think certainly from a technical perspective, it was really nice for the students to see that these models that they work on in the classroom can be scaled up to such a huge extent, and it definitely opened their eyes up to what the big wide world looks like. And I think they were able to see what big infrastructure projects and installations look like, and it was something that really made them want to be engineers.